3D printing technology is a rapid prototyping technique that involves breaking down a digital model into many thin layers and gradually constructing 3D objects layer by layer to form solid objects. The principle of this technology is to slice a 3D digital model into many layers, and then stack them layer by layer to convert the digital model into a solid object. No matter how complex the shape is, efficient products can be designed with the characteristics of high efficiency and high sustainability. There are many types of raw materials for printing technology, including metals, plastics, acrylic, resins, stainless steel, ceramics, and other materials. The objects produced by 3D printing have good impact resistance and durability. 3D printing services are included in a wide range of industries, such as automotive, aerospace, healthcare, art, and architecture. 3D printing technology is mainly applied in the manufacturing of automotive components, including engine components, wheels, seats, etc. 3D printing has been applied in the construction industry, enabling the creation of complex building models, prototypes, and even full-size building components. The advantages of 3D printing technology include simple operation, a wide range of printing materials, high material utilization rate, and low environmental pollution.